Welcome to Homechef, and I'm Khan. To start our day, we need a healthy, homemade, cost-effective, and nutritious breakfast, which not only affect our physical health but also our psychological, emotional, and mental health and well-being as well. So, to make a healthy, delicious homemade breakfast, let's get started. In order to produce a beautiful breakfast, we would need mixed spices. In all together, it's roughly 12 ingredients here, which I'm going to explain briefly. So we would need 100 ml of milk, and next is a full slab of cheddar cheese, but I'm not going to use all of them. I would need just 150 gram of cheddar cheese out of this big slab. I got a butter here. I'm going to use 15 gram of butter, 7 to 8 size of eggs, preferably free range eggs. These spices you can adjust according to your taste: salt, black pepper, and red chili pepper. But I'm going to use 3 gram of Himalayan salt, 1 gram of black pepper, grounded black pepper, and 3 gram of red chili pepper. And next to that is I got a small to medium size 2 tomatoes, 1 capsicum over here, but I'm going to use half of the capsicum. You can use according to your taste. And next to that is 15 gram of crushed garlic paste. You can use couple of garlic cloves as well if you like that way for nice aroma and texture. And spring onions, I'm going to use 2 of the spring onions from this bunch. And over here, 15 ml of olive oil I would use in order to make the beautiful healthy breakfast. So that's all ingredients we need, and we're going to blend them beautifully and cook them in our pan. So let's get started. At this stage, we're gonna blend these ingredients together. So first we're gonna pour our eggs in this bowl and give it a good mix. Next, our spring onions will go in. And then our cheese will go inside. And now these ingredients: salt, black pepper, and red chili pepper. Give them a bit of blend, nice blend. And at the end we're gonna add our 100 ml of milk in it. Here we go. Give them a good mix so all ingredients get blended together nicely and evenly. Now it looks nice and even. So we're gonna put this bowl aside, and our next stage is on the pan. So next magic start here in pan. We're gonna turn it on medium heat until pan gets warm enough, and then we're gonna pour our 15 ml of olive oil in it and 15 gram of butter. And then once it's then we're going to add 15 gram of garlic paste in it and give it a bit for this nice texture and aroma. Saute for 30 to 40 seconds. Make sure it's on medium heat, and after that we're gonna add our tomato in it, and then capsicum. Just we're gonna turn the heat a little bit up until we give a couple of minutes to saute. I saute tomato and capsicum for 3 minutes on full heat, and after that I'm going to pour this mixture in it and just turn the heat down. So while you are going to pour this mixtures evenly, spread it evenly in your pan and make sure this spread it out evenly, and this magic will happen here. Yummy and tasty breakfast will be ready within 5 to 6 minutes. So now I'll give just 1 minute with the full heat, 1 minute with the full heat, and then I'm gonna turn it down for good 5 minutes on very low heat. I have checked after 5 minutes. There was still a liquid in the pan, so on a slow heat I give 10 to 11 minutes. So now I'm going to lift up the lid, so let's see what is the outcome. Wow, that's beautiful. So this is our beautiful breakfast is ready, got cooked. It took not 5 minutes, but on low heat, like this heat, like it's 10 to 12 minutes. So we're gonna dish out now, turn it off. I'm going to turn it off the heat. And now we dished out our, wow. So if you like my recipe, please consider subscribing my channel and give a thumbs up to encourage me. Thank you very much. Bye for now.